Hello, my name is Margaret, and I'm here to introduce you to Advanced Renewable Power, the mobile power grid company. There are 1.6 billion people on our planet that have no electricity. Most of the rest have unreliable or dated systems and technology. Adding traditional infrastructure to remote and sparsely populated areas would be a costly and daunting task. The centralized power generation systems of today are dated and can incur a loss of up to 23%. In addition, the cost to build new capacity and upgrades to existing networks is in the trillions of dollars and is prohibitive. Advanced Renewable Power's mobile power grid is the solution to these problems. But just what is a mobile power grid? It's a self-contained energy generation, storage, control, and management system. The mobile power grid consists of a power generation system, a power conversion system, an energy storage system, the Microgrid smart grid management system, and a remote satellite communications link. Let's look at each of these components in a little more detail. The power generation system provides power to recharge the batteries and directly provide power during peak loads. The power conversion system changes direct current to alternating current and vice versa as needed between the modules within the MPG. It also changes the voltage or frequency, as well as combinations of these, and includes other far more complex systems tasks. The energy storage system is more than just a battery. It's an energy management system. It contains a series of specially engineered lithium-ion battery modules in a very controlled environment to optimize the longevity and charging-discharging rates of the batteries. This significantly increases the life expectancy and capability of the battery system. The Microgrid smart grid management system monitors, manages, and coordinates all components and functions of the local MPG system through the local area network. It provides continual monitoring and status information via satellite to ARP's remote telematics system. It will receive schedules and system updates from the telematics system, and the Microgrid system incorporates deep learning technology. The remote satellite communications link provides encrypted, secure satellite communication between each individual MPG Microgrid smart grid management system and ARP's telematics system, monitoring each MPG for performance, optimization, and metadata collection. It can also be used to download control commands and system updates. Future enhancements can provide local cable TV and internet service, telephone and cell phone service, and provide the immersive global university infrastructure for education. In addition, the mobile power grid connects with the local grid and optionally with renewable power options AC or DC, such as solar, wind, hydro, etc., one or more external mobile power grid units, and the external grid. The mobile power grid can be parked next to and used for islands, remote settlements, agriculture, clinics and hospitals, schools and universities, military facilities, disaster relief, and industrial zones. At Advanced Renewable Power, we deliver energy safely and efficiently. And yes, we really are mobile. ARP products are capable of delivering 45 kilowatt hours to over 5,000 kilowatt hours, depending on need. Our MPG solutions can include optional clean energy systems such as solar, wind, and hydro, and many other clean energy systems also work well with our ARP-MPG system. ARP-MPG key advantages include an autonomous energy system, precise control of generation and load, optional cogeneration in parallel with an existing grid, 50 to 70% savings in fuel compared to a generator alone, intellectual property, and patented armor technology. Advanced renewable power, empowering our world. Our engineers and consultants will work with you to assess your current and future needs and help to deliver a system that is right for you.